Hello everyone, I am Uncle T. Today, we are going to make a mask which is from the movie Moon Knight. I think many people have watched this movie. This is a character from a comic book, who later released in a TV series. This tutorial requires some patience, and I hope it can provide you with some new ideas. Let's go! Firstly, we need to prepare a white plastic mask, which is easily available in the store. There's a strap behind my one, it's okay if yours doesn't have it. When we watched the movie, we found that he had bandages on his body. So I also prepared some real bandages, the kind from the hospital with some elasticity. If your mask has this strap but you don't like it, you can also remove it. This mask is too narrow, we need to make it wider, add an extension piece. I am using the 2mm foam board, tape it to the side of the mask. Approximately this size is sufficient, you can adjust it according to your mask. After being glued together, it's probably like this. We still need to expand the upper part, the head part. The method I used was to stitch together some long foam strips. Just stick it this way, it's okay if there are some gaps. We also have bandages later on. My work is relatively simple, you can do it much better. If you have the better way, please feel free to leave a comment. After completing the above two parts, we can start sticking the bandage. Since there is no bandage on the eye area, we will first outline this part. When sticking bandages, some patience is needed and cross-pasting is necessary. If you don't know how to cross-paste, you can refer to this picture. After sticking it, it looks like this, and then we do some trimming. Then we can start coloring. I used grey color, because the knight's bandage is grey and has some patterns. Our bandages already have patterns, so we only need some grey color. After coloring, it looks like this. The eyes of the Moon Knight are glowing, and we can use the LEDs board. The device includes two LEDs panels and a battery box with a switch. The LEDs use button batteries, which are very safe. This one has some dots on it, it's not completely transparent. This is an open effect. Some places may have light leaks, so I treated them with blackout tape to block off the light. Then we fix the LEDs onto the mask. You can use adhesive tape or glue. This is the completed effect, it will be brighter in dark places. I believe there are some parts need to be improved, and I hope to provide you with some new ideas. If you have better ideas, please feel free to leave comments for improvement. If you have good suggestions and improvement plans, please feel free to leave a message below for discussion. Your good ideas will make me do better. If you like my channel, welcome to follow, subscribe, share and repost. I am Uncle T. See you next time.